Hello, today I'm going to be opening the LEGO Creator Set 40082. It looks like a little tree stand with Christmas trees for sale. This set you could get for a limited time with a purchase of $99 or more at LEGO stores or LEGO Shop at Home. So I got this set and I'm going to open it up. Hopefully I can get that set soon. Some trees, some torsos, some plates. I guess smaller plates. Money, dollar bills, a broom, purple hat. I don't have one of those. More plates, windows. And instructions. Shows you how to build it. Parts. Advertises the two current Winter Village sets that you can get. So there's what's inside the LEGO Creator Set 40082, the Christmas tree stand. Look for the review, and thanks for watching.